How to factory reset your Android phone. Now if you want to factory reset your Android phone, it is actually quite very simple, but you just have to keep in mind that factory resetting is going to erase everything that you have in your Android phone. So you just have to make sure that you have taken a backup of everything that you might need in the future. In this case, in the case of my Samsung phone, if I want to factory erase it, all I have to do is to simply open the settings app. From settings, I can simply scroll and simply go to the option that says general. So on Samsung, I would go to general, and from the general you can also simply scroll, and here you can see I have found the reset button. Now if you're not being able to find it, you can also use a search bar on your settings to be able to just type in reset or factory reset. Then you'll find the reset options. Here I can choose to reset all settings and so on, but since I'm trying to factory reset it, I can tap on the factory data reset option here. You'll see everything that is going to be erased with it, so I just need to confirm the changes and tap the reset button. This will take some time, so make sure you have got enough charge or battery on your mobile phone as well. So I hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.